They fought against Mughal invaders, but today, Samajwadi Party leaders are insulting our national icon. Some weeks after SP-MLA in Maharashtra was seen respecting tyrannical bigot, Mughal King Aurangzeb, another SP Rajya Sabha MP Ramji Lal Suman even went to the extent of insulting Rajput warrior Rana Sangha, calling him a traitor.
तुम गद्दार राणा सांगा की औलाद हो, ये हिंदुस्तान में तय हो जाना चाहिए। अगर बाबर की तो आलोचना करते हैं, राणा सांगा की आलोचना नहीं करते।
Suman on March 21st said on the floor of the upper house in parliament, Indian Muslims do not consider Babur their idol. They follow Prophet Muhammad and the Sufi tradition. But I want to ask, who brought Babur here? It was Rana Sangha who invited Babur to defeat Ibrahim Lodi. So if Muslims are called the descendants of Babur, then Hindus must be the descendants of traitor Rana Sangha. We criticize Babur, but why don't we criticize Rana Sangha? While Suman's remarks show the true face of the Samajwadi Party, the Rajasthan Assembly was on the boil on Monday. BJP MLA Sri Chand Kripalani, through a point of information, demanded action for the remark. But to utter surprise, Congress was seen subtly defending Samajwadi Party MP, arguing that as per the rule, no discussion on a comment by Suman, a Rajya Sabha member, can take place in the House. Taking Congress to task, the BJP MLA Kripalani further said, "Your stand has made it clear that you are with Ramji Lal Suman. The Congress has exposed itself. You are siding with the Mughals," Kripalani said. Backing Kripalani, Government Chief Whip Jogeshwar Garg said the Congress was standing with Suman, who had insulted Rana Sangha. Even SP Supremo Akhilesh Yadav shamefully defended Suman, saying everyone is flipping through the pages of history. Ask BJP leaders, which pages are they turning? What are they debating? They want to talk about Aurangzeb? If Ramji Lal Suman has referred to a page in history that contains certain facts, then what's the issue? The 16th century ruler of Mewar and the grandfather of Rana Pratap, Rana Sangha fought Mughals tooth and nail. Sangha's bravery keeps no parallels. He had 8 wounds on his chest and none at its back, amply revealing that he had never quit the battlefield. Despite having lost one arm and an eye, the fierce Rajput king Rana Sangha is known for his courage and tenacity. But then, Samajwadi Party has a history of distorting history for minority votes. They have always backed those who believe in Aurangzeb.